we used to watch televisions, and some of them were even black and white. And one iconic, I guess you would call it viral ad back then was "The country's gone crazy, crazy for Krazy Glue." That was the song, and it featured a construction worker whose helmet was literally crazy glued to a girder. I mean, this stuff is literally supposed to hold over 1,000 pounds, and I believe it. That's why I ordered the triple pack. This stuff is amazing. To say it's all purpose glue, I would disagree. This is heavy duty glue. You know, if you need all purpose glue, if your kid wants to glue two pieces of construction paper together or something really light, use something like Elmer's that you could actually spread around. This is better for really, really small surfaces or stuff that really needs a super permanent, super strong hold. Unlike Elmer's, this stuff is not friendly. You don't want to get it anywhere near your hands, anywhere near your face, your sinuses. It's so good that it's super strong. And that's why they give you a tiny amount, because you don't need lots. It's really, really amazing stuff. And after all these years, it's a product that has held up, literally.